Hi guys, how are you? Welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to a bathroom in a hotel in Milan. Now, I am doing this video because if you're anything like me, then the thought of hand luggage and getting all your grooming, your hair, your skin products into one tiny bag can be stressful. Now, I'm across in Milan with Fiat. They're launching a new collection for the Fiat 500. And it was a very last minute thing. And when I saw the hand luggage thing, I thought, this is an opportunity to actually show you. So, for me, I kind of split my hand luggage grooming products into three. Ones which I've got to fit in the little bag. Ones which I can buy at the airport. And the grooming stuff that is not liquid, that can just go in a normal toiletry bag. So the stuff that I would take in my toiletry bag, which is totally okay to take, guys, you can take as much of that as possible. For me, it's just electric toothbrush that I've got in there, a little trimmer, which I've got just for the old patchy facial hair at the moment, and to trim up the moustache again, it's electrical, moustache comb, and a little powder brush. Next is the stuff that I've got to fit in one of the little bags. Now, they do give you resealable plastic bags, so I make sure that I can definitely fit it all into there, but I do put it in this clear bag. I have got my powder, which I absolutely need to cover up all this grease, especially if I'm away somewhere hot. Little deodorant. This is something you can pick up in an airport, but I could fit it in here. This is just a mini version, it's 35 mils. My contact lenses, they are monthly, so I've got to keep them in these little things. As I'm only here for 24 hours, one night, I've just taken 2 of these and put the solution in that. 6.5 mils Colgate toothpaste. It's absolutely tiny. You can get these online. I'll link all these different things, guys, so you can check them out. But these are so handy, especially too for a gym bag or if you're keeping in the office. I've got this, which looks like a little lip balm, but it is a concealer stick. I find actually with travel, especially if you're going long haul, your skin will break out. Don't use this on the flight, but if you want to cover up any nicks and spots or shaving cuts, then for me, I mean, this is a daily thing for me. The hair and grooming products, a whole lot of these, which I've picked up at Superdrug and also Boots, and guys, you also get them on Amazon, and those are the ones I'll link to. And these are just the perfect sizes for putting stuff like moustache wax, hair creams. This first one is my moisturiser in this tiny little tub. And at the moment I'm using a Clinique moisturiser, men's moisturiser, which has also got an SPF 40. More than enough for 24 hours, you know, a bit at night and a bit the next morning. I've also got my moustache wax in the same sort of tub. This is Lockharts moustache wax, one of, if not the best moustache wax. For my pre-styler, guys, I have got these. I've actually got quite a few minis of Bumble and Bumble, and this is the thickening spray. Don't go overboard, you don't need all your products. Enough just to have a few different looks. Styling, another one of these tubs, but just slightly deeper than these ones. This at the moment is Kevin Murphy Rough Rider. You can see I've literally just scooped out as much as possible and put it in there. So like shower products, so cleansers, shampoo and conditioner. I've got my Nioxin shampoo in this one, conditioner in this one. I tend to avoid shampoos and conditioners that have been left in hotels because I like to use the stuff which I know works on my hair, and I don't really want to take risks. My cleanser is just a Kiehl's one. This is actually an exfoliator. I've got another one which is a cleanser, but I've not exfoliated this week, so I took this one with me. Almost forgot. Got my primer, Daniel Sandler primer. This goes under makeup products, over moisturisers. This is a 28 grams, but it's gone right down. And actually what you could do is, with stuff like this and toothpastes, you could chop the end off and then seal it. At the moment I am trying retinol caps by Elizabeth Arden. These are tiny, you only need one per night. I'm just new to these, so I don't really know how these are going. And then my final thing is my fragrance. This is in 2 parts, so really, I take this into the clear bag. This is by Kilian, it's Gold Night. It's really a beautiful fragrance. Teeny tiny little atomiser, but it also comes in this really decadent case, which I put in the toilet bag, but I could just leave at home. Goes into this, and it's the perfect size. Again, I took this size for 10 days in Thailand, and that was perfection. So just for one night, there you go. And also you could just put it in to your blazer or to your jacket at night if you just want to spruce up. If you're going to an airport, guys, it's more than likely that it's going to be a shock, and there's products you can pick up. And one such product that I pick up is hairspray. They don't have my Wella Silverkin Classic in a lot of places and tiny ones, but they do have Got to Be Glued. Not a huge fan of this, but for one night, it is absolutely fine, and it's going to fix my hair. When you are packing, pack light. A lot of it you can pick up. And just kind of be sensible. Don't go overboard with 7 hair products. Pick one product, one styling product, one pre-styler that you feel happy with, or a product which you know you can use across a few different things. But thank you very much for watching. If you're new to my channel, you've not yet pressed subscribe, then please do. Press subscribe right now, the button is going to be just there. There's also more video suggestions down there. Stay with me and watch them. Head to my blog, it's there. My Instagram and my podcast are up there. I'll see you in my next new one. Bye bye.